Welcome folks to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen, and today we are going to be making strawberry fluff salad. It's a recipe my mother-in-law had that we found in her recipes. And this is the original version in her handwriting. So we thought we'd try this today. It's hot, it's summertime, and salads go good when it's hot. So we're going to start off with 1 can of crushed pineapple, drained. And you just let all the liquid drain out of it, like this. This was 20 ounces. And then we're going for a Cool Whip, and that is 16 ounces. That's a large Cool Whip. And we're going to go with 2 cups of cottage cheese, small curd. I have 1 cup of coconut grated. Just sprinkle that on there. And then 1 cup of nuts. And we're going to mix all that together. After you mixed it all together, you're going to take a small box of strawberry gelatin and sprinkle it over the top. And then mix. Smells so good, fresh. That's what it looks like. And that's what it looks like. Strawberry fluff salad. So I hope you try it. It looks good. Put in the comments if you've ever tasted or heard of this recipe, Strawberry Fluff Salad. There's another version that you use mandarin oranges and Orange Jell-O. It's a real old recipe, so let me know. Check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise. Thank you for stopping by and watching my videos, and as always, God bless.